Hi friends, welcome to Video Book by Deepali, who has been appointed as the 31st Chief of the Army Staff. Correct answer is Dheeraj Sethi. NIF stand for Correct answer is National Infrastructure Investment Fund. IMD stand for Correct answer is Indian Meteorological Department. TRL Compass platform is related to Technology Assessment. World Sports Journalist Day is observed on July 2. NIF mainly supports infrastructure. Which organization issues heavy rainfall alert in India? IMD. FIFA World Cup 2026 is related to football. The southwest monsoon mainly affects rainfall. The headquarters of IMD is located in Correct answer is New Delhi.